perhaps I think the most important thing is that we foster a value-driven community here at Yasana. That success isn't just about volume. It's about how you lead, it's about how you serve, it's how you grow with others. And we celebrate that. Kung mapapansin niyo po, direct selling is we do a lot of recognition events.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
we want to make sure that we recognize, that we train on top of all the other incentive trips that we do. And again, that is reflective of our deeper mission here in Yasana, which is empowering people or empowering lives po. So yeah, deeper connection and meaningful, deeper connection and engagement with our associates is the way that we motivate people here.